Here's some Manchurian Incursion trivia. Subscribe. Which country initiated the Manchurian invasion? Is it A, China, B, Russia, C, Japan, or D, Korea? The correct answer is C, Japan. What was the name of the Japanese military unit involved in the invasion? Is it A, Pacific Command, B, Kwantung Army, C, Showa Army, or D, Imperial Fleet? The correct answer is B, Kwantung Army. What was the primary economic resource targeted by Japan in Manchuria? Is it A, agricultural products, B, timber, C, natural resources, or D, manufactured goods? The correct answer is C, natural resources. What event is considered as the starting point of the Second Sino-Japanese War? Is it A, Marco Polo Bridge Incident, B, Boxer Rebellion, C, Treaty of Versailles, or D, Nanking Massacre? The correct answer is A, Marco Polo Bridge Incident. Which Chinese leader was prominently opposing Japanese aggression? Is it A, Zhou Enlai, B, Chiang Kai-shek, C, Mao Zedong, or D, Deng Xiaoping? The correct answer is B, Chiang Kai-shek. What resource was vital to Japan's war effort for Manchuria? Is it A, silver, B, oil, C, coal, or D, wheat? The correct answer is C, coal. Which event led to increased tensions leading to World War II in Asia? Is it A, Pearl Harbor attack, B, Korean War, C, Manchurian Incursion, or D, Boxer Rebellion? The correct answer is C, Manchurian Incursion. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.